Hi, this is Dr. DePasquale, and today I'm here to talk to you about your doctor. So you're a good patient. You go get your regular Botox treatments every 3 to 4 months like you're supposed to. But somehow after every visit, you're starting now to notice some things that weren't there before. They may be a few lines that you can't really address with Botox, or maybe your skin is losing a little bit of its luster or its elasticity and you're starting to see sagging in areas that you didn't see before. So then you're starting to wonder, why didn't my doctor mention these things to me? The truth is, sometimes doctors get focused on the thing that you came to see them for. So if you came for Botox, you'll get your Botox. Other times they may just feel like they may hurt your feelings by bringing up things that you didn't mention or notice. So I think it's time for people to be more proactive. So the next time you're in for your doctor's visit to have some Botox, tell the doctor the things that you see that are bothering you and ask them how to fix it. This way you can be more proactive about your care and you can get the best results possible. This is Dr. DePasquale. Thanks for watching.